Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to define a variables in a Kotlin programming language. So let's start. So first of all, as we all know that we need to write function main and use curly bracket. So in the function main we write our part of the programming logic like val name is a variable name, then we put colon and type of the variable like string equals to and the value of the variable like I say hello. So in a second variable, like I want to define an integer like age and value would be 30. So if I want to print has two method, print or println. Let me use println, and any text string, for example name value is equal to, with dollar sign I can use name, the variable name defined before, and age is equals to, and with dollar sign dot age. So this is a very pretty simple way to define a variable. Under the function I use val for string, var for integer. So let me save this file name is variable.kt, and let me compile this. To compile this program we need to write Kotlin inc and the file name, like I have a file name is variable.kt and dash include dash runtime space dash d learn.jar. Actually it will create a learn.jar file. Once jar file is created successfully, then we can use java to run the jar file like java dash jar, and the jar file name is learn.jar. Okay, let me hit enter, and here you go. The print value is hello and the age is 33. So it's same as we mentioned in our first program. So I hope you understand how to define a variable. So in next video we have lot of things to learn, so with stay tuned with me. Thank you.